How to uninstall Bitrix24 app from your Android device. So first go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then after a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. After tapping on it, tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Here you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen, but this time tap on it and type in Bitrix24. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the middle option called uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm your decision. And after a few moments, Bitrix24 will be uninstalled from our device. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.